Want to make money while you sleep in 2025? It's possible and easier than you think. Building passive income is like planting seeds for a future harvest. It takes a little effort up front, but once those seeds sprout, you can be reaping the rewards for years to come. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to building your first passive income stream, even if you're starting from scratch. We're talking about creating systems that generate cash flow, even while you're off hiking, traveling, or just living your best life. So, are you ready to stop trading your time for money and start building real financial freedom? Let's dive in. All right, let's kick things off by finding the perfect passive income stream for you. Not all income streams are created equal, and the key here is to pick something that aligns with your interests, your skill set, and how much time you're willing to invest upfront. Remember, the beauty of passive income is that you're building something once and getting paid repeatedly. Now, in 2025, some of the hottest passive income opportunities are in the digital space. Think about it. Digital products like ebooks, Notion templates, even full-blown online courses. These are assets you create once and sell again and again with minimal overhead. Then there's affiliate marketing, where you recommend products you love and earn a commission on each sale. You can integrate this into a blog, a YouTube channel, even your social media. Speaking of YouTube, creating automated or faceless channels is booming. We're talking about leveraging tools and strategies to create content that works for you 24/7, even while you're off living your life. And hey, let's not forget about the more traditional routes like real estate investment trusts or REITs and dividend stocks. These offer more hands-off ways to generate income from real estate and the stock market. The key takeaway here is to choose one stream that resonates with you, something you can see yourself being passionate about. Focus your energy on building that out first, and once you've got a solid foundation, you can always diversify and explore other options. Now that you've chosen your income stream, it's time to roll up our sleeves and create something truly valuable. The golden rule of passive income is simple. Do the work once, get paid over and over again. This is where your creativity and expertise come into play. Let's say you're passionate about personal finance and decide to create an ebook. You'd pour your knowledge into crafting a comprehensive guide packed with actionable advice. Or maybe you're a whiz at using Notion for productivity. You could design a stunning planner template that helps others streamline their lives. And hey, if video is more your style, think about recording a short course using just your phone. It doesn't have to be fancy, just valuable content delivered with your unique style. The best part is, you don't need to be a tech guru to make this happen. There are incredible tools available, many of them free, that can help you create professional-looking products. Canva is your best friend for graphics and design. Notion is fantastic for creating those sleek templates and even ebooks. And if you need some help with writing, well, ChatGPT is like having a brainstorming partner on demand. Once you've created your product, platforms like Gumroad make it incredibly easy to sell and deliver it digitally. Remember, your goal here is to package your knowledge, skills, or experience into a format people are willing to pay for. Here's where the passive and passive income really starts to shine. We're going to set up a system that works tirelessly, 24/7, even while you're catching some Z's. This is about leveraging technology to automate the entire process, from delivering your product to collecting payments. Let's break it down by income stream. For digital products like those ebooks, templates, or courses, platforms like Gumroad and Payhip are your new best friends. These platforms handle everything from secure payment processing to instant file delivery. It's like having a virtual sales team working for you around the clock. Now, if you're diving into affiliate marketing, your platform might be your blog, your YouTube channel, or even your Instagram bio. The key is to seamlessly integrate your affiliate links within valuable content. Provide genuine recommendations, be transparent about your affiliate relationships, and watch those commissions roll in. For those interested in YouTube automation, think about creating content that doesn't require you to be on camera. You can use free stock footage from sites like Pexels, pair it with a compelling AI-generated voiceover, and boom! You've got a recipe for content that can be produced and uploaded even while you're on vacation. No matter your chosen platform, a few things remain constant. You need a clear, concise sales page or product description that highlights the value you offer. Invest in high-quality product visuals because, let's face it, presentation matters. And make sure you have an automated email or delivery system in place so customers get instant access to their purchase. Okay, we've built an amazing product, set up our automated platform, and now it's time to get those cash registers ringing. But here's the thing, you can have the best product in the world, but if nobody knows about it, it's not going to generate any income. That's why driving traffic to your offer is absolutely crucial. Think of it like this, traffic equals potential customers. The more eyes you get on your product, the higher your chances of making sales. But here's the good news, you don't need a massive marketing budget to get started. In fact, some of the most effective traffic strategies in 2025 are completely free. TikTok, my friends, is a powerhouse for organic reach. Create short, engaging videos that showcase your product's value or offer a sneak peek behind the scenes. Don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted SEO blog post, especially when you can leverage tools like ChatGPT to help you with the writing. Instagram Reels are another fantastic way to capture attention and drive traffic to your offer. Use a clear call to action in your Reels, directing viewers to a link in your bio where they can learn more. And hey, let's not forget about the OG platforms like Reddit and Pinterest. These are gold mines for reaching niche audiences and driving targeted traffic. The key with any platform is to provide genuine value, engage with your audience, and be consistent with your content. Here's a pro tip. Repurpose your content across multiple platforms. That killer TikTok video? Turn it into an Instagram Reel and maybe even a blog post. Work smarter, not harder, and watch your traffic soar. Congratulations, you've officially launched your passive income stream. But the journey doesn't end there. In fact, it's just the beginning. Now it's time to put on your data analyst hat and start optimizing and scaling your efforts. Remember, even small tweaks can lead to significant improvements in your results. Start by paying close attention to the feedback you receive. Are there common questions or pain points that your product isn't fully addressing? Use that feedback to improve your offering, make it even more valuable, and increase customer satisfaction. Once you've got a solid foundation, think about ways to scale your income even further. Could you add upsells or create product bundles that offer additional value? Experiment with different headlines, thumbnails, and sales copy to see what resonates best with your target audience. And hey, if you're feeling overwhelmed by the content creation process, don't be afraid to outsource. There are talented freelancers and AI tools available that can help you create high-quality content at scale. The key here is to approach your passive income stream like a business. Constantly analyze your results, experiment with different strategies, and never stop looking for ways to improve. Having one solid passive income stream is fantastic, but imagine having 2, 3, or even more. That's when you unlock true financial freedom and create a safety net that can weather any storm. The beauty of building multiple streams is that they don't have to be complex. Start by looking for synergies between your existing income streams. For example, if you have an ebook, could you include affiliate links within the content to relevant products or services? Or maybe you have a YouTube channel where you can promote your digital products or affiliate offers. Another powerful combination is building an email list alongside your blog or digital product. Your email list becomes a direct line of communication with your most engaged audience, allowing you to promote new products, share valuable content, and build stronger relationships. Remember, you don't have to do everything at once. Focus on building one solid income stream first, get it to a point where it's generating consistent revenue, and then start exploring other avenues. We've covered a lot of ground today, from choosing the right income stream to automating your processes and scaling your efforts. But the most important takeaway is this. The best time to start building passive income was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Don't let analysis paralysis hold you back. Take that first step, even if it's just brainstorming ideas or researching different platforms. Remember, building passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But I can promise you this, the rewards are well worth it. Imagine waking up every day knowing that your money is working for you, even while you're sleeping, traveling, or simply enjoying life's precious moments. That's the power of passive income, and it's within your reach. Now I want to hear from you. Which passive income stream are you most excited to build? Tell me in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are ready to stop trading time for money. So there you have it, everything you need to kickstart your passive income journey in 2025. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't get caught up in overthinking or waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Choose your stream, put in the work, and watch as your financial future transforms.